The case of National Commission for Women in Vishakha and others versus State of Rajasthan is a landmark ruling in India that defined sexual harassment at the workplace and established guidelines for its prevention and redressal. These guidelines, known as the Vishakha Guidelines, were implemented by the Supreme Court in the absence of specific legislation on the matter. They served as a crucial foundation for the eventual enactment of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act, 2013. Here's a more detailed explanation. 1. Background. The case arose from the gang rape of Bhanwari Devi, a social worker, who was attacked for trying to prevent a child marriage. The incident highlighted the lack of legal protection for women against sexual harassment in the workplace. 2. The Vishakha Guidelines. In the absence of specific legislation, the Supreme Court stepped in and laid down the Vishakha Guidelines to address the issue of sexual harassment. These guidelines included: definition of sexual harassment. The court defined sexual harassment to include unwelcome physical contact, sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, and other unwelcome conduct of a sexual nature. Employers' responsibility. The guidelines made it clear that employers have a responsibility to prevent sexual harassment and provide a safe working environment for women. Complaint mechanism. The guidelines mandated the establishment of an internal complaints committee to handle complaints of sexual harassment. Awareness and education. Employers were required to create awareness about sexual harassment and educate employees about their rights. 1. Significance. The Vishakha Guidelines were a significant step forward in protecting women's rights and ensuring a safe working environment. They paved the way for the 2013 Act, which formalized the guidelines into law. The case is also notable for recognizing sexual harassment as a violation of fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. 2. Impact. The Vishakha Guidelines helped many women seek justice against sexual harassment and contributed to a greater awareness of the issue in Indian society. The guidelines also emphasized the importance of women's participation in the workforce and their right to work with dignity. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.